You can now go camping without having to compromise on meals, with the world's first top heating grill that folds up to a briefcase-sized portable kit when not in use. 2 years in the making, the StoviGo is a remarkable and sturdy outdoors essential. It is powered by gas, which heats up an infrared top heating panel that gives any food inside an even cook, and also heats the top surface for a secondary hot plate. Because the oven uses infrared heating elements, you can prep the most extravagant campsite feast you want. Think roasts, large pizzas, and an adjustable plate lets you control the grill without producing the smoke of a traditional camp stove. The tray fits into 5 rack slots and the space, 11 by 11 by 8 inches, is large enough to roast a chicken and more, if that's your camping style. While the internal oven is the big drawcard, heating up to 482 degrees Celsius, the top surface can reach around 204 degrees Celsius, which you can use to cook with or keep sides or plates warm. Though you'll need to be mindful of the temperature when using it, especially if there are little hands around the campsite. Made from tough stainless steel, the StoviGo is easy to assemble, disassemble, and clean. And because there's no heat source for liquids to drop down onto while cooking, there's next to no smoke. Residual gases circulating are then burned too, reducing smoke even further and adding to its cooking efficiency. So while it's aimed at the camping crowd, it could just as easily work as a backyard or apartment balcony grill, or even be used indoors. A small gas canister provides around 4 hours on a mid-range heat setting, which is more than enough to cook a weekend's worth of food. As the team says, this will get you almost 280 gram steaks cooked with one 450 grams propane gas supply. It can also be fueled by butane. And once you hit the ignition switch to fire it up, it takes just 2 minutes to heat up, and has low, medium and high settings so you can control the temperature once it's going. The kit weighs 7.2 kilograms, sans gas supply, so you probably don't want to be hiking for days with it, but its compact size is ideal for slotting in the trunk with the rest of your camping supplies. The StoviGo is now part of a Kickstarter campaign where you can pre-order the oven for $299, which is a huge discount from its expected retail price of $599. With it, you'll also get a handy carry bag and a meat thermometer, a Kickstarter exclusive. The team has now surpassed its fundraising goal, so StoviGo is expected to be shipped in October. While many people, rightly so, may be wary of Kickstarter campaigns not delivering what's promised, the team behind this handy product, REVO, have a long history of producing heating grills and have invested years tweaking and testing the StoviGo to get it right.